every chart needs to have a caption. अगर मान लो मैंने इसको
Actually, Sagar, when you're talking about this data, I think another point that I feel, it's not just about the presentation part.
Sure.
Actually, somewhere this data would also help us assess our own selves.
बिल्कुल
Actually, if we start plotting this graph, we get to know whether we are moving in the right direction or not.
correct.
I feel even from the presentation part, I guess somewhere we know if our graphs are not going right, we really need to think back, and it's much easier to connect to visuals in that sense. I mean, as you're showing them, it is so interesting to see. Typically, okay, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है यार, बराबर नहीं चल रहा है, growth is not happening. So I guess even that part also, I guess it's very interesting.
Correct. And you'll find reasons why it is not happening, right? जैसे
we can check our progress.
Absolutely, we can actually assess our own selves whether are we making sense or we are not making sense.
Correct.
Or if we are not, then we know what factors is stopping us. Maybe we grew last year, but इस साल नहीं हुआ है तो हमारा क्या problem हुआ है?
correct.
Maybe we can add something or we can delete something.
Correct.
Like in your case, you were talking about your that mixed chart which you're talking about. तो आपके केस में कैसे आप लोग कैसे वो इधर से फंड्स लेते हो? आपका HSBC से फंड आता है, आपका विभा से फंड आता है, राइट? उसके बाद आपका इंडिविजुअल किससे फंड आता है? तो एक्चुअली आपको पता चलेगा आपका इंडिविजुअल का फंडिंग बढ़ रहा है कि नहीं बढ़ रहा है, जैसे उधर वो है वो, तो उनके दैट इज समथिंग व्हिच दे कैन कस्टमाइज ऑन.
Correct. So now if you see, I removed the caption. नीचे कुछ लिखा ही नहीं है. Something is missing. Right? So every slide, every chart needs to have a caption. मतलब ये है क्या? मतलब हम प्लॉट क्या कर रहे हैं, राइट? Now whether it is a cost per child, whether it is schools, right? आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हो, right? But write a caption. नीचे कुछ लिखा होना चाहिए, right? Because otherwise it is very bland. अगर आप कहीं से डेटा ले रहे हो, right? I spoke about this before. अगर आप कहीं से डेटा ले रहे हो तो उसका सोर्स लिखना ज़रूरी है. चार्ट में कैप्शन लिखना ज़रूरी है. डेटा अगर किसी और का है, जैसे if it is from the census 2011 and you've charted and plotted something, then star census 2011 of statistical library, जो भी, right? That has to be there. So never leave it without a slide, because काफ़ी बार you will see किसी ने आपको पूछ लिया कि ये सोर्स क्या है, आप बोलेगा सोर्स नहीं पता, ये कहीं से तो आया था, मतलब आते आते it became garbled, अब पता नहीं है क्या है, right? It happens, right? Sometimes we create our own source, different discussion, but ठीक है. So your graphs need to have a title.